I'm not going to worry too much about the settings on here at this time, because the purpose of today's webinar is just to show you how to install Lost Tickets, and you can play with it as you wish. But now I should find that if I go to the help desk directly, it's still offline. Why is it still offline? Okay, online. There we are, okay. Right, it looks a bit different than the other one. Open new ticket, and there's just a couple of categories already set up. As you can see, that's now working fine. So, that sequence of events is how you follow the prompts to finish the installation, and I'd only written that in the mind map because I hadn't done it. And now I've done it. You saw what I had to do. You saw the problems that I had to sort out. But that's all sorted now, so that's enough information to get you set up with Austicket if that is your chosen help desk ticket service. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free service that allows you to get details, quite a lot of details on your website visitors. And there's an installation guide for it. It was a long URL, so I've shortened it. Alright, let's close some of these windows. This is pretty easy to install. Now this gives you the various steps that you need to do. If you use AdWords, then Analytics can import data from your AdWords accounts. But here are the details of what you need to do. I can't demonstrate all that because I already have an Analytics account set up. So what can I demonstrate? I can first of all show you what the interface looks like. I get into it through my AdWords account. If you don't have an AdWords account, it'll just be using the, probably you enter that URL directly. Reporting, Google Analytics, that's how I get there. And I'll just make the window a little bit smaller, perhaps a little bit too small, but at least you can get the idea of what you get. If I select to show all of my sites, I've got various different sites that you can see. You've got different statistics on the home page that show how visits are changing. I think this is comparing this month to last month. And I've actually got some data for dojotool.com. But you would click on Add Website Profile to add a new website. I'm going to make things a little bit bigger so that you can see it. Basically, you create a new website profile, add a new profile for a new domain, select HTTP or HTTPS, and enter the domain for your website. So example.com, and you click on finish. It then gives you tracking code, and it immediately tells you tracking not installed. Well, tracking isn't installed because you've only just generated the website URL. But this code is something that you want to remember, because it's very easy to use this code straight away. So we've added a new website profile, and we've generated tracking code, and we've grabbed the website account ID, which was that 156666-11, which of course we pasted into Notepad because we remembered to do it. Then you add Ultimate Google Analytics plugin and set it up. And in order to do that, right, I can't demonstrate it on dojotool.com because I've already done it on there, but I'll demonstrate the process on my shop, which, if you remember, I set up last week. I did actually get the challenge done. I got this product ready for sale. I don't think it's a very good product, but it was something I managed to find quickly and get up there. And we've got our add to cart button. I priced the product at £2.99. I'd be very surprised if it sells, but the point is that I've got the thing up, and I can always add to it as time goes on. So I'm going to log into the admin panel. And I'll go to plugins. I'll get rid of some of these ones that I'm not using. And believe it or not, that's something that's worth doing just for SEO, because any plugins that you're not using take time whenever WordPress is doing something. So, add new plugin, and we're going to do a search for Ultimate Google Analytics. And here it is. And so I'm going to install it. It's going to tell me it's not being tested. Well, I know it works because I've tested it myself. So I'll click on install and click on activate. Now, I wonder if I can change the name that I put in place here.